Long ago in days of yore, it all began with a god named Thor. There were Vikings and boats and some plans for a furniture store. It's not a bodega, it's not a mall. This hill thinks for apartments smaller than mine, as if there were apartments smaller than mine. Ikea, just some oak and some pine and a handful of Norsemen. Ikea, selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home, but if you don't have a home, you can buy one there. Rent a car or take the bus, lay your cash down and put your trust in the land where the furniture folds to a much smaller size. Billy the bookcase says hello, so does the table, his name is Ingo. And the chair is a ladder-back perch, but his friends call him Carl. Ikea, just some oak and some pine and a handful of Norsemen. Ikea, selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home, but if you don't have a home, you can buy one there. Ikea, plywood, brushed steel. Ikea, meatballs tasty. Ikea, Allen wrenches, all of them for free, all of them for me. Ikea sucks. I just bought a table for $60 and a chair and a lamp and a shelf and some candles for you. I was a doubter just like you, till I saw the American dream come true. In New Jersey, they got a goddamn Swedish parade. Ikea, just some oak and some pine and a handful of Norsemen. Selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home. If you don't have a home, you can buy one there.
You put the I like so much further over here.
Well, you know what? I don't have spatial reasoning. Okay, I'm not a woman. Exclamation. God damn it, Casey!